Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best solutions out there for child-proofing your home, the vmaisi magnetic cabinet locks. If you're a parent or caretaker looking to secure your cabinets and drawers without compromising on style or convenience, you're in the right place. Let's explore why these locks stand out from the rest. First off, what makes these vmaisi magnetic cabinet locks the best in the market? It's all about their ingenious design. These locks are not only super effective at keeping curious little ones out of cabinets and drawers, but also incredibly easy to install. No drills, no tools, just peel, stick, and you're good to go. Perfect for any room in your home where safety is a priority. Safety is paramount when it comes to childproofing, and vmaisi understands that. These locks are designed to give you peace of mind while allowing your children to explore safely. They're easy for adults to operate with a magnetic key, but impossible for little hands to figure out. To wrap it up, if you're looking for the best magnetic cabinet locks on the market, look no further than vmaisi. They combine ease of installation, strong security, and a sleek design that blends seamlessly into your home decor. Whether you have a curious toddler or a mischievous pet, these locks will keep your cabinets and drawers secure. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and where to buy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. Let us know in the comments if you've tried these locks or if you have any questions. Until next time, stay safe and happy exploring.